Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Lagos State HR. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and in the search bar type in Lagos State HR login and start your search. Over here, you can see the first option Lagos State Gov. ING. Click on Login. You will be redirected to this login portal directly. And over here, enter the email or employee ID of your account. Once you do that, in the password section, enter the password of your account. Once you've entered your login credentials, click on the Login button. You will be logged into your account on Lagos State HR. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials or forgot your password, you can click here Forgot Password to reset it. So that's how you guys can log into your account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.